Okay, me and Kevin are on a team. We're gonna take on John and Ethan and Luke. Let's go. I got the mini easy, and Kevin has an automatic. I'm gonna head this way. Kevin seems to be hitting someone. I'm gonna see if I can cut him off. Come on. Come on. Kevin, I'll try and flank him if I can get past this damn fence. Is this the electric one? Is this the electric one? Oh. Screw that. I'm not going that way. First person shooting time. Ethan's shooting at me! Don't fuck over a armed cameraman, you bastard! Oh! Ethan got me right in the chest. Okay. This maneuver. Hi!
Oh fuck!
Oh fuck, it's a... Pin is fixed. We're ready to go again. Kevin, you're on my team. I'm not gonna shoot you, you idiot. Alright, let's go. Hi, John. Don't make me shoot you in the nuts. Okay, if you do, just wait. Ow, you shot me in the finger, you shithead. Okay. Okay, here we go. Army mission campaign. We're gonna take some cover.
I gotta put mine on freaking auto.
That's a good idea. I can't aim with this shitter. Especially with glasses and looking through the damn camera. Yeah, I'll try and shoot down and around. I think I hit him in the nuts. Oh. I'm gonna only use this for getting a close range combat. Let's go, let's go! Flank out! Flank out! Ethan's sniping from behind, I'm gonna take him out! Die, motherfucker! I'm not, I got like 15 bullets left. Ethan's fucked. He's gonna die. Haha! Come on, let's shoot Ethan. John's coming up from behind. Get the hell out of here. What the hell? What a crazy fucker. Who the hell was that?
I know, I shot Ethan like
Sound like Doug.
I shot Ethan like a 300.
I know, I sat there, he's like, fuck. I'm like, John is running away. I only have a couple left. Well, I guess I'll load the rest on you, John. Nowhere to go but electric fence. Kevin, I'm on your own team! I'm out. Kamikaze mission! There's a sun glare. Shut! I'm gonna interview you, you fucker!
Oh, okay. You already interviewed
What do you have to say about this
you
shit?
impaled me about 20 minutes.
Wow, that's Kevin's signature phrase. I'm gonna bash you with it.
Hey, don't. That's not his gun. Oh god, he almost just stepped in that.
Holy shit! Literally.
Ethan's yard. Yummy.
I almost did step in shit. Oh, it's all over. It's a minefield.